This is Linux Mint, and this is how to get DOSBox working on it. What you want to do is look for DOSBox Staging. You can go down here, click on that, and then you go to the software manager, and I've already got that open. If you type in DOSBox, a couple different ones will come up. Those ones, some of the other ones don't work. I've had no problem with this one. I've already got it installed, but right there you would click install, and it would eventually get to this point. And then what you do is you get your games. Not going to show you where to get those from, but then you go to your home folder right there. There's different ways you can get to it. You can double click there and it'll go to home, or you can come down here and then click right there and that'll also go to home. And the easiest thing that I did, or the easiest way to do this, is just create a folder called DOS Games that I did right there. Right click, create folder, and just name it DOS Games, just like that. And you can drop your folders in there of your games, and what it's going to execute is executables, which is a .exe. So we've got the home, and then DOS Games, lem1, lem1, and again in another folder. This is Lemmings, the game, so I'll show you how to get that going. You click launch here, and it comes into here, and you have to mount a C drive. So if you go to C right now, there is nothing there. You've got to type mount C, this little squiggly guy, and then DOS Games, and that's what I have it loaded into. And then you type this, that is C right there, and then if you type dir, that'll show the directory, and there's just the one right there, so cd space lem 1, and then there is another folder with the same name in there. So I type that again, cd lem 1, and that will bring us to the directory with all of the files in it, just like this one right here. It'll basically show everything that's in here. So if we go back here and we type in dir, that will show the directory. And for this specific one, we would want to do VGA Lemmings, so you can type VGA LEMMI.exe, and that will bring you into the program, and from here you just play the game. I mean, that's only going to work exactly for this specific game with that name in those folders. And what you don't want to do, a tip on this, is when you make your DOS Games folders, don't make anything with larger than 8 characters here, because DOSBox will have an issue loading that. It'll tell you to type some sort of alternate thing, and when you type that, it won't work. So just make sure any folders that you need to get into in DOSBox that you need to look into are not longer than 8 characters. And another tip is when you're in it, your mouse will disappear and you can't really seem to move anything. What you want to do is you want to click right here, the middle button, and that will bring your cursor back to be usable. So that is how you basically set up DOSBox. Pretty simple. There's a bunch of other much harder ways, but that's the best, simplest way to set it up here. Happy gaming. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps somebody.